Hey, friends! These veggies look like little umbrellas. Let's go find some fun and bouncy mushrooms. Ready to look and play?
Want to bring our lesson into your home? You can grab a free printable starter kit in the description below to practice at home.
I'm celery! I'm super crunchy and full of water to keep you hydrated.
Come on, let's go see some celery. Hey, look at these long green sticks. This is celery. Celery. Can you say celery? Celery is fresh and fun to eat. Can you find the celery? Point to it. Yay! You found it! Great job! Celery helps keep your body healthy and strong.
I'm asparagus. I'm tall and thin, and I have a tiny crown on my head.
Let's go find asparagus. Look, these tall green stems are asparagus. Are asparagus. Can you say asparagus? They look like little spears. So cool. Asparagus helps your body grow strong. Let's try a bite. Chomp. Where's the asparagus? Show me. Nice, you found it. Asparagus helps you stay healthy and strong.
I'm artichoke. I look like a giant green flower, and I'm a super healthy treat.
Let's go see an artichoke. Wow, look at this big spiky veggie. This is artichoke. Artichoke. Can you say artichoke? It has lots of layers like a flower. Exploring new veggies is fun. Let's try a little bite. Yum! Can you find the artichoke? Point to it. Great job! You found it! Artichokes help your body grow strong.
I'm fennel. I smell like sweet licorice and help your digestion feel good.
Let's go find fennel. Look at this bulb and leaves. This is fennel. Fennel. Can you say fennel? It smells sweet and fresh. Trying new smells and tastes is exciting. Let's take a bite. Crunch. Where is the fennel? Show me. Awesome, you found it. Fennel helps you stay healthy and strong.
I'm bamboo shoots. I grow fast and strong to help you become a big kid.
Let's go see bamboo shoots. Look, these come from bamboo. This is bamboo shoots. Bamboo shoots. Can you say bamboo shoots? They're crunchy and fun to eat. Veggies can come from all over the world. Let's try a bite. Crunch! Can you find the bamboo shoots? Point to them. You got it! They help your body grow strong and healthy.
I'm lotus root. I have beautiful holes inside that look like a secret lace.
Let's go find lotus root. Wow! Look at the holes. This is lotus root. Lotus root. Can you say lotus root? It has little holes inside. So cool! Trying new shapes makes eating fun. Let's take a bite. Crunch! Where is the lotus root? Show me. Great job! You found it! Lotus root helps you stay healthy and strong.
I'm rhubarb. I have bright red stalks that make a super yummy tart.
Let's go see rhubarb. Look at these red stalks. This is rhubarb. Rhubarb. Can you say rhubarb? It can taste a little sour. Wow, some foods are sweet, some are sour. That's fun. Let's try a tiny bite. Mmm. Can you find the rhubarb? Point to it. Nice, you found it. Rhubarb helps your body stay healthy.
I'm zucchini flower. I'm bright like a golden trumpet. And I'm a tasty summer treat.
Let's go see a zucchini flower. Look, this bright yellow one is a zucchini flower. Is a zucchini flower. Can you say zucchini flower? It's a flower you can eat. So cool. Smell it. Mmm. Can you smell it? Let's take a bite. Yum! Can you find the zucchini flower? Point to it. Yay! You found it! Is it a flower or a leaf? Tell me.
I'm cactus. I'm brave and healthy, and I love the bright warm sun.
Let's go see cactus. Wow, this is a cactus you can eat. Nopales. Can you say cactus or nopales? It has a smooth, soft texture. Food can come from surprising places. Let's try a bite. Yum! Can you find the cactus? Point to it. Awesome! You found it! Cactus helps your body stay healthy and strong.
I'm palm heart. I'm soft, white, and hidden deep inside a tall palm tree.
Let's go find palm heart. Look, this comes from a palm tree. This is palm heart. Palm heart. Can you say palm heart? It's soft and tender. Trying foods from nature is fun. Let's take a bite. Yum! Where is the palm heart? Show me. Nice, you found it. Palm heart helps you grow strong and healthy.
I'm button mushroom. I'm small, round, and perfect for your favorite pizza.
Let's go see a real button mushroom. Hey, look at this little one. This is a button mushroom. Button mushroom. Can you say button mushroom? It looks like a tiny umbrella. Soft and yummy when cooked. Let's try a bite. Yum! Can you find the button mushroom? Point to it. Yay! You found it! Great job! Button mushrooms help your body stay healthy.
I'm portobello. I'm big and meaty, and I'm a super strong veggie burger.
Let's go find a portobello. Wow! This one is big. This is a portobello. Portobello. Can you say portobello? It's large and flat, like a big mushroom cap. Big veggies can be yummy too. Let's take a bite. Chomp. Where's the portobello? Show me. Nice, you found it. Portobello helps you grow strong and healthy.
I'm lion's mane. I look like a fluffy lion and help your brain stay smart.
Let's go see lion's mane. Whoa! Look at this fluffy one. This is lion's mane. Lion's mane. Can you say lion's mane? It looks like a lion's fur. So soft. Food can look fun and different. Let's try a little bite. Yum! Can you find the lion's mane? Point to it. Great job! Lion's mane helps your body stay strong.
I'm Inoki. We are long and skinny, and we love to dance in your soup.
Let's go find Inoki. Look, these long, thin mushrooms are enoki. Enoki. Can you say enoki? They look like tiny noodles. So fun to eat. Let's take a bite. Slurp. Where are the enoki mushrooms? Show me. You found them. Awesome. Enoki helps you grow healthy and strong.
I'm King Oyster. I'm tall and chewy, and I help you grow big and strong.
Let's go see King Oyster. Look, this thick one is King Oyster. King Oyster. Can you say King Oyster? It has a big stem and a small top. So interesting. Can you find the King Oyster? Point to it. Nice work. King Oyster helps your body stay strong.
I'm Moral. I have a cool honeycomb hat. And I'm a treasure from the forest.
Let's go find Morel. Wow, look at this bumpy one. This is Morel. Morel. Can you say Morel? It has lots of little holes. So cool. Trying new shapes is fun. Let's take a bite. Yum. Where's the morel? Show me. Great job, you found it. Morel helps you grow healthy and strong.
I'm Chanterelle. I'm bright and golden, and I smell like a sweet forest dream.
Let's go see Chanterelle. Look at this golden mushroom. This is Chanterelle. Chanterelle. Can you say chanterelle? It's wavy and bright. Colorful foods are fun to eat. Let's try a bite. Yum! Can you find the chanterelle? Point to it. Awesome! Chanterelle helps your body stay strong.
I'm Wood Ear. I'm crunchy and fun, and I listen to all the forest secrets.
Let's go find Wood Ear. Look, this one looks different. This is Wood Ear. Wood Ear. Can you say Wood Ear? It's soft and a little wiggly. So interesting to touch. Let's try a bite. Yum! Where is the wood ear? Show me. Nice! You found it. Wood ear helps you grow healthy and strong.
I'm Oyster Mushroom. I look like a pretty shell. And I'm full of healthy magic.
Let's go see oyster mushroom. Look, these look like little fans. This is oyster mushroom. Oyster mushroom. Can you say oyster mushroom? They grow in clusters. So cool. Food can grow in groups. Let's take a bite. Chomp. Can you find the oyster mushroom? Point to it. Great job. Oyster mushrooms help your body stay strong.
I'm Beach Mushroom. We are a happy family of little caps, ready to make you smile.
Let's go find beach mushroom. Look, these tiny ones grow together. This is beach mushroom. Beach mushroom. Can you say beach mushroom? They're small and fun to eat. Tiny foods can be powerful too. Let's try a bite. Yum! Where are the beach mushrooms? Show me. You found them! Awesome! Beach mushrooms help you grow strong and healthy. Wow, you found so many amazing mushrooms. They may look funny, but they help you grow strong and healthy. Want to find more fun veggies? Let's go!
Great job today! Tap the link below to get your free printable kit. Download, print, and keep the learning going.